Not really any warm-up, but that's 2 and a bit inches of reinforced concrete, so it does take a bit of hitting. And that's a sort of, the first 2 hits just didn't feel like I was going to go through. The third one just settled myself into correct posture, you know, felt the energy, good tendon alignment. That's the result. So, yep, iron palm, getting there, beginning. More importantly, no injury on the palm. I slapped my finger a bit on the rock with the first one, but no injury on the palm. Enjoy.